Hello everyone, this is Savithri teaching English Shorthand. Today also I am going to solve the exercises on chapter 4, that is short forms in English Shorthand. You have to write the strokes in pencil. If you write the strokes in pen, you cannot identify the dark and light strokes. Hence I am also using pencil for writing shorthand. So you need to practice the shorthand in a shorthand pad because there will be more difference in the lines, so that the strokes position you can easily identify. This is not the shorthand pad. You will get the shorthand pad. In those pads you have to practice shorthand, and do not write with the pen. Light and dark strokes, you will get confused about light and dark strokes. After getting perfect in shorthand, then you can use pen. But at the beginning, you need to practice with a pencil. So today also I am going to solve the exercises on short forms. These lines are in shorthand. So I am going to transcribe these lines into English. Before that, I'll read out these lines. The first one is all is a grammar of tick. The money should be put into the B and G oval bag which they bought today. The second line is, if the ship can leave today, it can reach Italy. See, two lines are there. So I should be capital, it's a noun. Italy tomorrow. I'll write here. The first line is, all the money should be put into the bag which there is no place here, which they bought today. Full stop. The next line is, if the ship can leave, see here LV. This is a third place oval. As I told you, intermediate oval of before the second stroke, third place oval to be marked at the third place. Ship can leave today. It can reach Italy tomorrow. Sorry, only one M, tomorrow. Next, they should see the red mark on the MP oval map to locate the bank. They should see the red mark on the map to locate the bank. Full stop. Next one, it can make a big difference if they know the What is this? D. D is written through the line. This is departmental policy. It can make a big difference if they know the departmental abbreviation. I have written department full stop departmental policy. Since there is no place, this departmental abbreviated form I have written. Next one is, they should go today and know the fact which they ought to know tomorrow. They should go today and know the fact, know the fact which they ought to know tomorrow. Full stop. Sixth one is, they can take charge of the boat on 5th March. Here for March, 2 lines should come. They can take charge of the boat on 5th, or you can write like this, 5th March. M should be kept. Full stop. One more thing I wanted to tell you here. For learning shorthand, your English should be very good. Otherwise, the spellings, it is based on the pronunciation you are going to write the shorthand. For example, when no will come, whether it is NO or KNOW, you should make out the difference. Not only about this for two, either it is 2OO or TWO. That is based on the circumstances, you have to use those words. So for that, your English language should be very good. You should have a command over English language. Those who studied in Hindi medium and in Kannada medium will have to focus on English language also for learning English shorthand. Here one note I have written, practice logograms, grammalogs and simple contractions accurately. Also practice reading and transcription. These transcriptions both in the previous class from English to shorthand and from shorthand to English. Those transcriptions you have to practice, read back the outlines and rectify the error. Stay tuned to my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.